Hey, what's up, guys? So my name is Sridhar. So today I am going to review about. So first of all, let me clarify something. This video is going to be in English, and the Hindi part in Hindi language video, Hindi lingual video will be uploaded after this video. So if you are a Hindi watcher or Hindi viewer, so wait just for a couple of days. I will be uploading the Hindi review soon. I will be recording it after the English review only. So after uploading the English review, I will be uploading around 2 to 3 days later the Hindi review. Probably I would add some episode 2 reviews also. So this video is all about the review of To Your Eternity, episode 1. So I have heard about it like the most popular anime series, most hyped up anime series in 2021, in the 2021. So it was one of them, To Your Eternity. The first of all, the very foremost look of the poster and all, it was fantastic. And the I have heard that the manga was very good. And first of all, the author was Yoshitoki Oima, the same author who has written or drawn the popular anime movie, A Silent Voice. So it's going to be heart wrenching. I thought so. I know, matlab, means I have seen Silent Voice, and all the people, those who have seen A Silent Voice, they all know how hard it was to control our tears. The same goes with Your Eternity. So at the first episode, I started watching. I watched the trailer and all, and I basically know about the plot. And I basically knew about the plot, and there was an orb who was sent to the earth that can take life forms. So I know about that. Something in the trailer only it was given shown. So first of all, when I watched this episode 1, I thought it's first episode, right? During the series, I know I would have to cry. It's first episode, but I thought that it's first episode. Obviously, it would be some character building, character build up. That's all. That's all it's going to be like regular anime series. But I thought that I won't cry. I won't ever cry in the first episode of any anime. In the first episode of any anime series, I won't ever cry. I won't have cried. But the real truth. After watching the first episode, my reaction means the author and the series has done a fantastic job. Means the character build up in the first episode of they have never thought that I would be connected to a character that much in only one episode. Like if you guys watch Attack on Titans, when Eren died for the 6th or 5th episode, first season, when Eren died, was eaten by a titan. When Eren died in the 5th or 6th episode, I did not cry, and I have not built up a connection yet with the anime character. It's been 6 or 7 episodes. In 6 or 7 episodes, but everybody is now. It took Attack on Titan to build up 2 seasons. You have 3 seasons to get the fans emotionally attached with all the characters, right? Or at least one season. Every anime requires one season. You have at least more than one episode. But this anime series, it just build that emotional connect with a character, man. That scene when he was crying and all faces were red, he had catch a cold, he was infected by the cut. Oh man, I was just praying to God, please, he should not die, please. I was just looking like that, man. My tears just fell out. I couldn't even control. And I gotta say, I am hoping, just hoping that it's a season of at least 20 episodes. I thought so. It will be a season of at least 20 episodes. I heard so, and I am looking forward to it. Man, that's awesome. The series itself, first of all, is awesome. The BGM and all, the emotional tune, the intro, it's an intro, no? The opening, anime openings and all. The To Your Eternity means, first of all, though, if you have not heard of it, if you have not watched, then just go. I am telling you, be my recommendation. It will be 20 to 23 minutes. Just go, and if you don't cry, don't watch. And if you cry, man, you can't even stay without watching it. It's that awesome. the character, I have said these times, I think 2 to 3 times in a continuous way, that the character build up is awesome. What I'm trying to say is, if you have time and if you wanna watch it, it's worth your time. Just go and watch it and give it a try. If you like it, then continue with the series. If you don't, then don't continue. And make it more hyped up, and all the fans of To Your Eternity episode 1 from anime fans, all of them, just go and make it more hyped up, make videos about it, make posters about it, just make it hyped up. It's gotta be go mainstream. It's gotta blow up just like a silent verse. It just gotta blow up. So that's all for the review. If you liked it, please make sure to like the video. Make sure to comment something about it so that my video gets reached. If you didn't like it, make sure to dislike. If you didn't like it, make sure to dislike and comment if you didn't like anything about it. And if I can improve, I will see if I can improve in that way. I will try to improve at least. So just comment, like, and if you want, you can share it with your friends, family, and all your anime otakus and all, or you can share it with them. Then let me recommend them this video and say this, watch the review and just go and watch To Your Eternity, or else just recommend the anime. Just recommend the anime To Your Eternity to all your otakus and weeps and all. So bye.